response to Bowman himself. Yeah, it's easy for us to be quarterbacks. I was more surprised he wasn't on the play on the Browns' first drive on the switch with George Hill as opposed to that last second play when he had gone off with about 15 seconds left in overtime. That was the killer. I didn't understand with 2 seconds left, matching up because of all the switching that was going to happen defensively. Shane Vanier has Kamali fires for three. He's been off. And he loves that corner three. Back comes Stevenson. Stevenson looked like he was going to try to go on over and pitched it out. And George Hill comes out with his second.
Man, they are losing so bad.
Really? Eric Spoelstra telling us it was uncharacteristic of the way Miami was throwing the ball all over the place in the first half. Three turnovers here, but from Indiana, this team believes that they win. There's no question about that. Another Miami turnover here comes on a loose ball and calls for time in the midst of a 12-3 run. Indiana has its